how to use call screening on iOS 26. First, let's go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we go all the way down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Next, we then scroll down and look for Phone. Then we scroll down and look for Screen Unknown Callers. By default, it will set to Never, so you want to select Ask Reason for Calling. So here, it will calls from unsafe numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone rings. So essentially the call screening feature acts as a virtual gatekeeper for calls from numbers not safe in your contacts. Its main goal is to help you filter out spam and unwanted calls without missing important ones. So here you can also turn on call filtering, unknown callers, missed call, and voicemail from unknown numbers will be silenced and moved to unknown caller list. So you can switch that on as well. And let's test it out. I'm giving the phone a call.
If you record your name and reason for calling, I'll see if this person is available.
Hi, it's David calling. So after the message, you send a message and then it will start to ring. And that's it. So that's the demo right there. Thank you for watching this video.